People who have trouble hearing should get an audiometer test to find out where the real problem lies. Before getting to this test, though, your doctor will put you through various other hearing tests first. To do this, he might use a tuning fork or just go through a basic screening to test out your levels of hearing. Once he fully understands how bad your condition is, he may then request for a more thorough test. If he suggests that you go through an audiometer screening, he may endorse you to a specialist. This specialist, also called an audiologist, will then be in charge of you. To learn more about how the process works, just keep reading. Throughout this screening, your doctor will thoroughly evaluate your hearing abilities. This is usually done through a series of tests, as opposed to just one. During this time, the audiologist will ask different questions to collect as much information as possible in order to find out the causes behind your loss. He will then ask for a thorough explanation regarding your work and medical history as well. After that, an actual hearing test will then be conducted. During this test, you will have to wear headphones that fit well over your ears in order to block out sounds that come from outside of the room that you are in. After that, different sounds will go into your ears one by one. The aim of this test is to check each individual ear, since loss may occur in a single ear or in both at the same time. The sounds that are sent into your ears might arrive at different frequencies or levels. This is done to find out how well you can hear them and whether you can hear them at all. To tell the doctor where you are hearing the sounds from, he may ask you to raise the hand on the side of whichever ear you can hear sounds from as the test progresses. Some sounds may be loud, while others may be faint. Sometimes you may not hear anything at all. This is completely normal, though. Just make sure you let your specialist know exactly what you can hear so that he can give you a proper evaluation that will benefit you in the end. After all, your doctor will use the information from this test to figure out how to treat your hearing problems. The information derived from this test will also decide whether you still need more evaluations before moving to proper treatments. This is why it would be absolutely vital to be honest when it comes to this test. In other words, make sure you answer all of the questions honestly and accurately, no matter what. The good news is that you can learn a lot about your hearing problems just by going through an audiometer test. Once your hearing levels have been properly gauged by it, your specialist can then give you the right treatment for your condition in no time or put you through more tests as needed.